हाय दोस्तों, एसएससी जेईई इलेक्ट्रिकल चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। मेरा नाम रामकृष्णा है। आज के वीडियो में एसएससी जेईई पेपर 2 में कौन सा टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आता है उसके बारे में डिस्कस करना चाहता हूं। इन एसएससी जेईई पेपर 2 देयर विल बी 6 क्वेश्चंस। आउट ऑफ दैट यू हैव टू आंसर 5 क्वेश्चंस, ईच क्वेश्चन कैरिंग 60 marks, so that you will get 300 marks. Total is 300 marks. If you are able to answer 3 to 5 questions, you will get very good score in SSC JEE paper 2. See here what kind of questions they usually ask in exam. You can see here. One by one you can see here. Using Kirchhoff law, determine the current IA and IB in the network shown. This is the network he has given, and in this network you have to calculate the current IA and current IB. The marks weightage is 15 marks. If you are able to answer this IA and IB currents, you will get 15 marks for this. Okay, and step by step you have to show. Okay, step by step you have to show. And next one, 15 marks weightage. And in the second question B, you can see, for the circuit shown in figure 2, find current in such that current in the 100 ohm resistance is 0. Okay, you have to calculate this. Okay, current I is asking. Okay, this one you have to calculate. So while you are calculating this current, 100 ohm resistor 0, that is current in the 100 ohm resistance should be 0. So it should satisfy. Okay, the current through this 100 ohm resistance should be 0. So based on that you have to calculate by using this network what should be the current. Okay, and in second question, sub question C, you see the weightage for this also 15 marks, and for previous question also 15 marks weightage is there. For C, 15 marks weightage is there. For each question, that is a 5 marks weightage is there. See here, very simple question. A series combination of two capacitors given, that is C1 and C2, is connected across DC supply of 300 volts. Determine the charge, voltage, energy stored in each capacitor. Charge, you know that is Q. Okay, you have to calculate the Q here, and voltage V you have to calculate. Energy stored in each capacitor you have to calculate. You know that energy stored in each capacitor is, energy stored formula is KE, that is 1 by CV square. You have to calculate. Okay, you have to calculate the Q, you have to calculate the V, and energy stored in each capacitor you have to calculate. So Q you can calculate. Q is nothing but you know the formula is Q equal to CV. So if you know the capacitor and voltage across each capacitor, you can easily calculate the charge, that is you know the capacitance value here. How much is the voltage, you can know that. Okay, by using voltage division formula you can calculate the how much voltage will appear across the each capacitor. You can calculate based on that. Q equal to CV, you can calculate. Voltage also you can calculate. Okay, by using voltage division formula. And energy stored in each capacitor, that is 1 by CV square. So by using that formula also you can calculate. Okay, 15 marks weightage is there for that. Okay, and next one, and second question, fourth sub question given here, we have to define the terms. What is self inductance, what is flux, and what is the RMS value of alternating waves. 15 marks weightage is there. You have to write the definition for each question. 5 marks weightage for each sub question here. Okay, and third question you can see A, B, C, D also there here. 4 sub questions given. A circular coil of area given, 25 turns rotate about vertical diameter with angular speed given, uniform horizontal magnetic magnitude 0.05 Tesla. Find the maximum voltage induced in the coil, you have to calculate. That is 10 marks weightage is there. And define the following terms: reluctance, permeance, magnetic field strength. What is that, you have to calculate. That is a 15 marks weightage is there. So you can see what kind of questions they usually ask in the exam. You can see most of the questions are repetitive in nature. If you prepare well the previous questions, paper 2 previous questions, it will be very much useful for writing paper 2 exam. Okay, most of the questions are repetitive in nature. Okay, for paper 2 you can prepare, many books are available regarding a Medici book also there, and GK publications descriptive papers also there regarding previous questions. And fifth question you can see roughly, a shunt generator gives a full load output given, and terminal voltage given, armature and shunt field resistance are given, and the iron and friction losses are 100 watts given. Calculate the EMF generated, copper losses, efficiency you have to calculate. Okay, next fifth question, sub question given, explain the dynamic braking of 3-phase induction motor. You have to write the theory regarding this, and diagram also you have to try. Dynamic braking 3-phase induction motor. And C question, that explain brief following: fractional kilowatt motors. What is the fractional kilowatt motors? Fractional kilowatt motor is nothing but a single phase motors. Okay, and auto transformers, short circuit test 3-phase transformer. Regarding that you have to write briefly, so that you will get 15 marks. And explain parallel operation of two alternators. When two alternators operating parallel, what will be the output, and diagram also you have to try, waveform also you have to try regarding this. And sixth question, explain in brief. Out of 6 questions, you can answer at least 5 questions. If you could answer 5 questions, 300 marks is the total. Okay, one question is optional. And explain the brief of the following: image place, system of production regarding transformer. This is short circuit current for the symmetrical faults, electrical welding. So you have to write these sub questions, each sub question carrying 10 marks, 10 marks, 10 marks, and for this first question 30 marks weightage is there. So like that the questions you will get in exam for SSC JEE paper 2, and roughly I have shown the previous SSC JEE paper 2, and this may be useful for knowing what kind of questions they usually ask in exam. And this paper link I will give in the description, you can download that PDF. Okay, so remaining papers PDF also I have, just roughly I am showing what kind of questions are giving, just one question, one paper I discussed here. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.